This week we are at Miami. We are going to the Wall Street Bet events to talk with traders, to meet new traders and to find best traders for our crypto trading tournament. Crypto trading tournament will be happening tomorrow, so let's go with us to find new traders. We are here at Miami Beach Convention Center, so let's go with us. I'm here with Nicolas and with Nina, and they will help me to connect with those traders and let's find out what they think about the markets. This room is full of strong opinions about market, crypto and trading and what is working right now. What's harder to hear is people talking about the risk management and what happens if the trades fail and when liquidity spikes. Today we are not here to debate or promote anything. We are here to listen and understand what separates traders from those who last and from those who disappear.
What's harder, making money or keeping it?
Man, that's actually a difficult one to answer. I'm gonna go with making money though.
Making money.
Making it. God, that's a good question. Probably keeping it.
Oh my God, probably keeping it. Anybody can make money. I feel like keeping it is the hardest part, for sure.
Keeping it.
Making money.
Depends on what stage you're in, I would say. Early on, probably harder to make money when you're just getting started with no resources, and then once you have it, you probably have learned a lot of lessons on how to keep it.
Keeping it.
Keeping it.
Definitely wealth preservation, because you can go out and bang a bunch of plays, do some side hustles, make the bag, but how do you build longevity, okay? See, it's not about getting rich fast, it's about being wealthy forever, as long as you can, to be able to pass that on to your children, their grandchildren, to truly have impact. People make millions of dollars all the time, but do they really change the world? Not necessarily. It's not about making money. Like, the way I see it, it's actually about the impact you create, and as a byproduct, you attract that abundance and wealth comes back to you tenfold.
Have you ever blown an account?
Multiple times.
Yeah.
Yeah, many. Yeah, I've run through 7 figures easily the past year.
No.
No.
Oh yeah. Oh yes.
How many times?
I don't want to admit, I mean probably like 5 times for one prop firm.
No. Close, but no.
No, I've never gone that extreme that I've blown an account, but I've definitely lost substantial amounts of money.
I've lost millions.
Okay, so many times.
No.
Never?
No.
What loses traders more money, greed or fear?
It's probably subjective. For me, it was probably greed.
Greed.
Probably greed.
I would say greed 100%. Yeah, in my opinion. Yeah.
Fear, yeah, because of opportunity cost. I'd say fear.
Well, greed comes from fear, so absolutely fear is the basis. Okay, why do we feel greedy? It's because we're afraid of not having enough. So when you realize that you already have enough, you already are enough internally, because it's all about the mental game. So when you come from that place first, you don't feel the need to grab on desperately to anything, right? You are more selective and discerning with your energy. You understand that money comes and goes, right? Connections come and go, and you allow yourself to surrender to that divine flow of life. So things seem to come to you more effortlessly. That's the principle of Wu Wei in ancient Taoism.
Fear. Scared money doesn't make money.
I mean, those aren't the only two emotions. FOMO and anger and frustration, I think, would be the stronger emotions with things. FOMO can honestly make you a lot of money when the market pumps and you're buying into it. Greed, for those that trade with leverage, I've seen that happen as well. But for the average person, it's revenge trading. Basically, you made a loss, so you're going to try and win it back. And that is the worst place and worst state to be trading in.
Greed.
I agreed. That's the first rule that people should start learning. Is like, if you're greedy and you're not able to walk away when whatever you are able to make, then I think you will be able to lose all your account, go back to zero, you know? So broken, you can blow another account if you're trading on the firm.
Do my little dance while I do my God goodness, they thought I was tripping or popping the molly. You out there copying swag, wrapped up in corny, little homie, you look like some Molly. Some of y'all going outside, I get up, go get it, I ain't finna wait for nobody. pushing my.
Is trading more skill or luck?
I think it's both. You can't just say it's a skill because you're sometimes market doesn't respect your skill, right? Like you can be right and have like all the odds on your side, but then if the government or anyone comes and do any news, you know that we're not prepared, then I mean it's not like you don't have the skill, right? It's just news that come out of nowhere, and then that affects a lot of your portfolio.
It can be a combination of both, but you need to be skilled in order to be successful.
I think it requires practice, but luck also matters substantially. I'm going to go with skill, though.
It's a little bit of both, but I would say majority is skill.
Skill. I think a lot of it has to do with definitely discretion, especially in crypto, and then definitely a lot of discipline and being able to understand how the market works. And crypto is arguably one of the hardest asset classes, so definitely a lot of discipline and skill.
Skill. I think you've got to have some basic understandings, but then you need to have luck to timing. Timing's hard.
So both.
Yeah, a bit of both, yeah.
I think it's skill. It's emotional skill. I think it's also a little bit of luck, but it's a lot of having the hours put in, and then also the skill to be emotionally sound and capable of making that decision in the right time.
You create your own luck, which means you have to be skilled.
What's the fastest way to lose money in trading?
Investing in a company without knowing anything about it.
Leverage. I think just, using leverage is the quickest way to lose money. I've lost a lot of it using trading with leverage.
Leverage, big leverage.
Leverage. Dump a ton of money into a meme coin that you have no information on.
Greed. Invest in meme coins. That would be the quickest way.
Not sticking to your plan. You get emotional. As soon as you get emotional, it's over. I think not sticking to your plan and getting emotional are the two biggest ways to lose money. Two fastest ways. Instantly drain your account.
Leverage and meme coins. I think that's like the two. I mean, before it was NFTs, because like NFTs used to be but now NFTs is kind of like meme coins anymore.
Buy a meme coin.
The answer was there already a few times.
To act from a place of impulsivity, whether it be, if you're emotionally dysregulated, like your nervous system is dysregulated, you're going to make moves that are not necessarily calculated, right? Because your emotional state is off. So like you said, greed is one of the biggest things that causes anybody, whether it be trading or any type of business, to actually blow up in a negative way. I definitely believe that it is from a place of impulsiveness, not being calculated, and really checking yourself, like the energy you're coming from whenever you do anything.
Events like this are very valuable for us because we can see how people think, we can talk with them, we can connect and explore potential partnerships and find new traders and partners. And Nicholas today found new participants for the trading tournament. The goal was find 10 of them, but unfortunately for now we have maybe 2 or 3 or...
Yeah, definitely. Good vibes here in the band, some traders, crypto legends. Definitely good to connect with these events, and I mean we will see them tomorrow for the tournament.
Yeah, and Nina here, she talked and she did interviews as you saw in the video, and I think what you can mention about your interviews?
So I ask people what's the fastest way to lose money in crypto, in trading, then about their losses, and a lot of interesting questions.
Okay traders, so thank you for watching this video and see you in next HyroTrader video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.